Alright guys, so dumating na po kami ngayon dito sa Phuket Airport. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, nandito tayo ngayon sa Phuket Airport guys. So first time namin gumala with Jarlene sa Walika, Thailand. So excited guys. So ito na kami sa baggage claim. Guys, so first time namin gumala for today's video. Okay, so actually kinabahan kami sa aming travel kahapon kasi na-upload kami guys. So ngayon, thanks God at nakapag-travel kami and we're safe. Alright, see ya! So ito na lang siya guys. So first time namin gumala and with the Phuket guys. There! Alright, so I'm so excited for today's video. So ngayon, pupunta kami ng baggage claim guys para kolektahan ng aming bagahe. And yeah, I'm so excited and this is my first time na mag-travel gamit ang aking benefit sa aking work. Charis! So there. Madam Jarlene, ano masasabi natin sa journey mo for today's video?
Sawadee-kap! First time travel. Oh my God! Ay,
oh my God! So, kamusta naman ang mga na-offload kagabi?
Pagod na pagod.
Pagod na pagod.
Pagod po lola niyo.
Oo, diba? At least, diba?
Dumating pa kami sa point na pag-discover Qatar na lang.
True. Alright, so welcome to Phuket, Thailand na guys. There! I'm so excited.
Yan ang yung disadvantage pag very light colors. Very light colors. Kaya kailangan talaga meron kang cover.
So ito na po guys, nandito kami ngayon sa baggage claim area. There, so pupunin ko ng aking bagahe. I think nakita ko ng bagahe guys. So yeah, I'm so excited na mag-explore dito sa Thailand. And first time kong gumala guys. Yay! Alright. So there, I got my bagahe. And going na kami sa hotel guys. Alright, and of course, kailangan namin magkapalit ng pera. Kung syempre dito kami sa Thailand, so kailangan natin gamitin ng currency nila guys. Okay, see ya guys. Alright guys, so on the way na po kami papunta sa hotel and nakuha na po namin yung bagahe and nakapagpalit na kami ng pera dito sa money exchange guys. So there, so mag-Uber kami dito papunta sa hotel and see ya, I'm so excited. There guys. So currently nasa pa rin kami ngayon sa baggage claim or arrival, sorry. So there. I'm sure guys. There, I'm so excited. Welcome to Thailand. Saan na ang Thailand natin? Malapit na ba?
Yeah, we're booking Bolt. Bolt is 5.
Yes. So, kamusta naman ang Carmela?
So, I'm so tired.
See ya guys.
Yeah, I saw it as well. Yeah, so it's coming. It is complimentary from Anantara.
So if we travel, we are free. All the passengers, if they're going to go to the hotel, they are free for.
We are free for if we book it with Anantara, then it will be free transpo from airport to.
No, it is complimentary. That's just for some. But we ask sorry for asking Naka, are you the couple or just friends?
Friends.
Just friends. Actually, already for this location, not in the list, because we have just some location like a sorry, Naka, maybe next time, but I can recommend you. So, book Grab or Bolt, right? It's okay because I need to tell you because for happy place for the
ayun na nga guys, akala namin libre po yung sakay namin. So, it's a prank. It's a prank. It's a prank, guys.
Kasama sa listahan ni Mayora.
True.
Ano yun?
So, ending po namin guys, magbubuk po kami ng parang Uber dito sa Thailand guys. Wala lang naman siya. So, in Qatar Riyal is for 45 I think. Yes, okay lang naman kasi tatlo kaming maghati-hati guys. So, ngayon, waiting kami sa driver and we're so tired. Chariza, I'm so excited na guys kasi maliligo kami sa dagat. Yay! So, there. So, for the lakad ng mga persons for today's video. So, dito pa rin kami ngayon sa arrival, guys. Okay. Alright. There. So, where are we, guys? Waiting for the driver.
So sabi niya, magbabalakad muna tayo ng 2 minutes going to the main road.
2 minutes going to the main road.
Yeah, so let's run sa para 1 minute.
Alright, let's go. Get to. So, it's kinda hot here. So, medyo majinit siya dito sa Thailand. Pero, may mga ano tayo dyan. May mga panglaban dyan. Pangontra. Okay, for today's video. See you guys! Okay guys, so ito yung pinaka-airport dito sa Phuket. Phuket International Airport guys. So ayan, for the lakad na kami for today's video. And medyo majinit siya. So pupuntahan namin yung driver guys. So waiting na sa amin. Alright, there. Ayan siya guys. Okay, so for the waiting mga person for today's video. Okay guys. So what's up everyone? Hello.
Tatanggalin lang niya yung blazer niya kasi like...
Okay. So saan tayo mag-aantay?
Dapat tayo sa main road.
Sa main road guys. Majinit pala no? Pero carry lang. So excited maligo sa dagat. Nagpapakita ko na aking ano. Napaka...
Kabugaran outfits.
Diba? So excited na po kami ngayon. Lakad-lakad na. Okay. Hello everyone. Team abroad at Tipidas. Kuya G is in the house. Nasa Thailand tayo ngayon guys. Okay. Punta kami dun sa pinaka waiting area guys. Para sa Pilipinas, para siyang ano, all domestic. Alright. So, there. Okay. I think dito na kami mag-aantay. There. Grab point. Okay. I think dito tayo mag-aantay. Okay. So, for the lakad. Ayun na siya guys. Papakita ko sa inyo guys. Ang pinaka-airport dito sa Phuket, Thailand. There. So ngayon, waiting pa rin kami sa aming driver. Ito pa rin kami ngayon sa airport guys, sa Phuket International Airport. So medyo malagit na for today's video. So kailangan na natin mag-shower. But anyways, dito pa rin kami. Time check dito sa Thailand is 2 o'clock na ba? Yes. So majinit na. So medyo pawis na mga madam. Diba? Sino kayo dyan?
Sino ka dyan? So hot.
It's so hot guys. There. So ngayon, mag-ano muna tayo guys. Real quick tour dito sa Phuket, Thailand. So what do you got, Thailand? Hello. Alright, waiting for the driver guys, everyone. So, kamusta kayo? Yung biyahe namin, napaka-smooth naman guys. So, 7 hours yung biyahe na. 7 hours yung biyahe namin from Qatar to Phuket guys. So, enjoy naman kasi in the first attempt namin sa flight is na-offload kami, pero that's fine kasi diba, thanks God, nakapag-fly away kami ulit for the second flight there. So excited kasi first time, I think 5 years ako hindi nakaligo ng dagat, so I'm so excited na maligo sa dagat. And of course, kailangan natin may pa-ups dyan. Charis! Okay, so there. Ayun siya guys. Hello, medyo maginit for today's video. Waiting for the driver guys, everyone. Okay. Alright. Okay, for the lakad ulit kami guys. So, papasok kami doon sa... Papasok ba tayo sa loob? Alina? Okay. So, dito pa rin kami ngayon. Hinahanap namin yung driver. Okay. Ayun sila. Ito ang airport dito sa Phuket guys. Phuket ha. Alright. Okay, so yan guys, ang dami mga turista dito. Siyempre kasama ko dyan for today's video. Charis. There. Or nahanap po kami sa driver for today's video. Okay.
Have a good day.
Thank you so much, Peter. Okay, nandito po kami sa aming pagtutulugan for today's video. So, ayun na po siya guys. So, and there. Medyo okay naman ang aming napuntahan. Airbnb guys. So, there. Medyo maluwag naman siya. And good for tatlong person. There. Ayun na po siya guys. Okay.
And have some fruits.
Oh, really?
Some restaurant you can try.
Okay.
Far?
Is it far?
How many
So far,
minutes?
around 50 minutes. 50 minutes by there. From there to Baton around 50 minutes.
Okay, so everyone, nandito na po kami ngayon sa aming pag-stay ng 2 nights dito sa Thailand, guys. So there, I'm so excited mag-explore dito sa Phuket, Thailand. And there you go. Alright, thank you so much everyone and see you on my next vlog. Bye!